Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Today we are going to be unboxing the Ipsy Glam bag. Boop, 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 boop. It's in a big envelope. Boop, 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 boop. I already kind of took a little sneak peek, but I didn't look at all of it because you get to see what you order, what you get in advance. So this is what it is. But the first thing I got was a full-size sun touchable Whoa Glow 30 broad spectrum SPF sunscreen, sun protection and makeup primer all in one. And this is really great, and I'm sure it's about $12 or $13, and it's full size. Then we got this cute little bag with a little tassel. We love a little tassel. The cats love a tassel. We've got a little card, and it says the primer was $14, so I was right on the money for this. $14. And then next we have from Amina lip liner in Nude Rose. This is a $32 for a lip liner. That's insane. I'm not going to open it because I'm not going to use it. So that's a lot of money for a lip liner. Let me get my calculator out so I can figure out how much this is worth. 14 plus 32. And then next we have from Danessa Myricks. This is a beauty oil, hydrating facial oil. And I chose this as my choice for my glam bag, because you get to choose one thing. And this is your skincare routine isn't complete without this moisturizing face oil. It's packed with a blend of moisturizing and soothing ingredients like squalene, jojoba, gold leaf, which is an antioxidant that helps smooth redness and aids in balancing your skin. And the full size of this would be $30, but this is a little wee baby size. I think I'm going to have to just tear this open because this is not wanting to unfold. Oh, I'm just having to rip this all to shreds. But it's this little vial. So that's a nice trial size. And Danessa Myricks is some fancy stuff. Let's call that $4. Then we have a cute little tiny Saturday Skin Wide Awake Brightening Eye Cream. And this is 8 milliliters or 0.27 fluid ounces. And I hold it up to the light and it's at an angle, but there's hardly anything in here. And this is packed with antioxidant. Cat, stop it! Crazy cats, they're playing. Packed with antioxidants, rich seed oil, nourishing avocado protein extract, and hydration, superhero hyaluronic acid. This ice cream is a triple threat. This will be great for a travel size. And this is the deluxe sample, and the full size is $46. So let's call this $5. And now they're trying to get into a box. Those cats. And then I've got a little Lottie London eyeshadow quad, and it's in really beautiful colors. And it says, one look at this gorgeous eyeshadow palette and you'll be hooked. It's packed with a combination of 9 metallic shimmers. 9 metallic shimmers and matte shades. This is only 4. And it's good for every occasion, day or night. And this is an $8 value. So my value for my My value for my Ipsy Glam bag is $63. So I got this, I got this, I got this, I got this, I got an expensive lip liner, and I got a bag. Not too shabby for $14. That's it for today. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.